is from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. The Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court has found the first 6 accused guilty of the charges against them. Remaining accused, including Dileep, was acquitted. The court has acquitted top Kerala actor Dileep after the prosecution failed to prove the charges against Dileep, who is the 8th accused in a case. That is the big breaking news that we are getting in at the moment. Malayalam actor Dileep has been acquitted by a court in Kerala. This is the Ernakulam court that has found 6 accused guilty. This is after the prosecution failed to prove charges against Dileep, and we'll try to get you more details about this case, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's go across to my colleague Shankar, who joins us on the phone line with more details. Shankar, give us more details about this case and what happened in court.
After 8 years of court proceedings in a landmark verdict on the sensational actress assault case, the Ernakulam Principal Session Court on Monday acquitted Dileep, citing lack of evidence against him to prove lack of evidence against him in the on the charges which were framed against him. He was acquitted by the court, citing that there was no proper evidence against him on the rape charges, criminal conspiracy, criminal intimidation, conspiracy part. And in any of the charges, the prosecution failed to prove the role of Dileep in establishing his involvement in the crime. However, the court found Sweeney, Martin Anthony, B. Manikandan, B.P. Vijay, H. Salim, Chandakari Pradeep, all the 6 accused from 1 to 6 were found guilty of the charges, and other accused, Dileep was the 8th accused in the case. The other accused are Chari Thomas, Dileep, Sanil Kumar, Vishnu, Aravind, and these 3 accused from 7 to 10, including Dileep. Dileep is the 8th accused. They all were acquitted, citing lack of evidence. So the first 6 accused who were involved directly in the crime, actually, is Sweeney, who is the first accused, Martin Anthony, the 2nd accused, who was a driver of the victim, B. Manikandan, who was B. Manikandan, 3rd accused, V.P. Vijay, 4th accused, H. Salim, the 5th accused, Chandakari Pradeep, the 6th accused. These all 3 accused involved in the crime directly. These people took part in the crime directly. The assault took place in 2017, February 17, at around 9 p.m. The victim was traveling in her car from Thrissur to Ernakulam, and the driver of the car was Martin, who is the 2nd accused in the case, and he was also found guilty on the charges. The accused created a fake accident and got into the car in which the victim was traveling and sexually attacked her, gang raped her inside the car, and later he was dropped in front of the house of an actor. His name is Lal. And while leaving, the first accused, Sweeney, told the victim that they committed the crime, they gang raped her as per a contract given. And later, meanwhile, while doing the crime, the first accused and the other accused were filming all the actions, and they shared it with some other accused as well. So these evidence were traced back retrieved from their devices by the prop team, and it remained as a crucial evidence against them. Now the quantum of punishment will be pronounced by the court in a couple of days, maybe next week or in the coming days. We have elections here, so there will be less chance for announcing the quantum of punishment in the coming days. So only after the election, so most probably the quantum of punishment will be pronounced, and this is a landmark verdict, and it provides a much reprieve to Dileep. Actually, he was not part of the crime in the beginning. After the arrest of the first 6 accused, the police team received clues about the involvement. He was acquitted actually. The accused alleged that Dileep was involved in the crime during the interrogation. On the first day of the crime itself, the prop team registered a case, and the driver of the victim was taken into custody and he was interrogated for hours and examining his call details and chat history. Police found the involvement of the first accused, Pulsar Suni, in the case, and the Pulsar Suni was taken into custody in a dramatic way as he was trying to surrender before a court in Ernakulam, and the police team nabbed him from the corridor of the court so dramatically. Later, he was taken into custody and questioned for hours, and all the other four accused were also nabbed. It was at this juncture, Pulsar Suni disclosed to the property that it was as per the direction of the actor Dileep, a popular actor. He was very popular in Kerala during that time, and it was as per his direction the crime was committed. Soon Dileep approached the chief ministers and the DGP, stating that he was unnecessarily taken into the crime, and unnecessarily his name was dragged into the crime. And soon, in days, he was taken into custody by the prop team, and he remained in judicial custody for 85 days, and the court denied him bail for so many, rejected his bail applications a number of times, and he had to remain in judicial custody for 85 days till he got bail. After coming out of the prison in 85 days, the charge sheet was submitted by the prop team in 2020 itself, and the probe and the trial into the case began. It was at this juncture, not a director in Kerala, P. Balachandra Kumar, who is no more now. He is no more now. He died last year due to a kidney-related issues. He was 52 years, and he alleged during the trial in the court that he saw Dileep watching the video which was shot by the accused on the attack of the woman, and the court hearing the allegation of the director, the court directed the prop team to hold a reinvestigation and to verify the allegations raised by Balachandra Kumar. And later the prop team was verifying the allegation and also took Dileep into custody. His digital devices, his mobile phones, his laptops, and all the other digital devices were seized.
Shankar, I want you to stay on with me, and while you give us more details, let's quickly